Welcome back. Opening of outline development plans is just a political exercise. Government should revoke amendments made to the State Agriculture Tenancy Act or face March agitation. Congress slammed state BJP government on the backdrop of Niti Aayog meeting held in Delhi on Wednesday. Union government should maintain transparency in the land acquisition bill, which is already in the line of fire. Advocate Yatish Naik said coalition government in Goa has encouraged inflation. Congress also demanded rollback in water and electricity tariff hike.
आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऑपोजिशनान असताना ताणी या कायद्याक समर्थन दिल्ले. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे सरकार केंद्रात स्थापन झाले तेन्नाच्यान तांच्यो हालचाली हो कायदो वीक करपा खातीर चालू जाल्यो. They want to get rid of this consent clause amongst the other things. Is acting anti-people, anti-farmer, and the Congress party condemns this anti-farmer and anti-approach of the BJP government. When you are trying to bring these concepts like marinas, amphibian planes, seaplanes, etc., this is going to attack the marine life and ecology of the state. आता दोन ओडीपी ताणी उक्ते केल्या, तालिगांव आणि म्हापशा, आणि बाकीचे ओडीपी उक्ते करपाचे वाटेर आसा. हे ताणी केला. लँड यूज प्लॅन आणि लँड यूज मॅप गोंय सरकारान केले. द काँग्रेस पार्टी demands that these amendments to the Agricultural Tenancy Act should be done away with by the state government in the ensuing legislative assembly session, failing which the Congress party will launch a mass movement against these amendments throughout the state.
Gen Next has demanded CBI inquiry in IPS Atmaram Deshpande PTS misappropriation case. Whistleblower group alleged that ACB has failed to give justice as ACB SP Bosco George is batchmate of Deshpande. DIG Ranganathan had given clean chit to SP Deshpande. Documents obtained through RTI reveals that Siddhi Electricals was forced by police to take electrical work. Documents have also revealed that contractor was forced to start work without any work order.
हातून ताणे डिपोज केलो. ताका प्रश्न विचारला तर तुम्ही पळयात तुम्ही कितें बरयला ते. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आर यू अवेअर that do you have knowledge of that 5 lakhs was given as the contractor which was of Siddhi Electricals through any of the staff and contractor returned 3 lakhs to the SP? Answer of the PSI, yes. हातूंतल्यान एक क्लियर कट स्पष्ट जाता की DIG Ranganathan has tried to save the officers and the culprits there. Now RTI मागता म्हाका म्हणटा तो matter is under investigation with ACB, the disclosure of which impaired the process of investigation. असं जाल्यार तुम्ही स्वता कित्याक हे केले? टेक अ प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स and try to give a clean sheet. As a home minister, मुख्यमंत्री स्वता हाजेर काय उलयना PTS भानगडीचेर. सो हातून दुबाव येता की हे पयशे जे कलेक्ट जाता हे वयर पर्यंत पावता काय म्हणून अप टील मिनिस्टर लेवल. कारण DGP आहा तो बाबडो तो बोळो सारको, ताका काय ताणे DIGक दिले इन्व्हेस्टिगेट करपाक, तो जो रिपोर्ट येता तो मानतलो, ताका भानगडी सुद्दां खबर आसच्यो ना ह्यो. सो वी डिमांड a CBI inquiry in this matter now.
Letter by Siddhi Electricals to PTS clearly shows a misappropriation.
I therefore had a discussion with you and keeping faith on your commitment of settlement of bills within 1 to 2 months, I conducted site inspection of electrical works. Immediately thereafter, without any work orders from you, the work was started on war footing basis within 10 days time. ही कामां ताका दिली without tendering. This letter is self-explanatory. तुम्ही वाचा हे letter. ताणे जेन्ना बोळ घातलो by this letter, a amount of 5 lakh was paid to the contractor from the students welfare fund. जे भुरग्यांकडल्यान पयशे घेता ते PTSन जेन्ना बोळ जालो की 5 लाख दिवंक शकना ते फंड्सांतल्यान, ताजे कडल्यान 3 लाख परत घेतले.
Further, RTI also reveals that SP Atmaram Deshpande with DYSP and PI certified the work done by the Siddhi Electricals.
Name the officers who had certified the completion of work given to the company. And answer आमकां मेळटा, the officer who certified are Atmaram Deshpande and Deepak Pednekar. आता हे केन्ना इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनियर जाले हे आमकां खबर ना.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Under the name of development, don't destroy farms. The warning comes from Bodgeshwar Shetkari Sangh. Agitated farmers claim that though government has formed task force on the ODP, the farmers are not taken into confidence. They have demanded that the government should stop land filling in the farms at Mapsa. They have now threatened to take out a morcha if government goes ahead with its plan.
त्यांच्यानी एक टास्क फोर्स कमिटी काढली आहे. ते टास्क फोर्स कमिटी ही स्वतःची काढलेली आसा. भितर त्यांचे आर्किटेक्चर स्वतःचे इंजिनियर आसा. 1-2 शेतकरी त्यांच्यानी खसून हाडले. ते शेतकऱ्यांनी आमकां कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवंक ना आनी 28 फावटी मिटींग अश्यो घेतल्यो की गुपीत मिटींगे घेतल्यो. ते गुपीत मिटींगेन जे शेतकार भाव जे आसा आमचे इतले शेतकार भाव जर आसा तर त्यांच्यानी प्रत्येक घरान सांगूंक जाय आसलें आयज की 12,60,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो म्हणजे अख्ख्या म्हापशा हे घेतात. तर कोणाक लागून घेतात? आपणाक लागून घेतात तर सरकाराक लागून घेतात. तर आमचो आयज तुमकां सांगता आमी शेतकार भाव म्हापशें आमचें बरें आसूंक जाय आमकां दिसता. म्हापशें डेव्हलप कितले तरी वर्सां डेव्हलप जावंक ना. 20 ते 25 वर्सां जाल्ली आमी वाट पळयता शहराची की केन्ना तरी डेव्हलप जातलें. पूण हेंच्यांनी आयज आमचे घालो घातलो येदो व्हडलो घालो घातलो की 12,60,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो हो आमचे घेवंक करतात. 12,60,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर हेंच्यांनी सांगूंक ना. ते दिसा टावन प्लॅनर येयलो त्यांनी बरोबर थंय आमचे मनोहर पर्रीकर ते आसले तेच्या समोर त्यांनी सांगलो असो प्लॅन आसता 55% जागो डेव्हलपमेंटाक वयतलो 15% जागो रस्त्याक वयतलो. पण 55% जागो जर तुका इतको लागता गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसाक ते बार्देस तालुक्याचे जागो जर तुमी आमी म्हापशेंतलो घेवंक करता तर बार्देस तालुका म्हणून म्हापशा शहराच्या सायडीक जवळ जवळ 5 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी लागलेली आहा. तुम्ही थोडो शिवयलचो जागो घेयात आजदोनाचो जागो घेयात कुशीक तेंचो पूण जागो घेयात न्हू. तेंचो जागो तुमी कित्याक घेयना हेजेर आमचे स्ट्रॉंग ऑब्जेक्शन आसा. आनी कितकंय जालें तरी आमी प्राण गेलो तरी आमचो जागो आमी तांकां दिवचो ना हे 100% आसा.
A female leopard was caught at Chandor on Thursday. One of the residents of Chandor, Benny Mascarenas, had spotted 2 leopards in his area. On his complaint, a trap was laid and 1 leopard was caught. According to Benny, there is yet another leopard in the locality. Later, the leopard was handed over to the forest department.
For 5 days we were after him. Okay, I used to go with a car right on top of my property to check. I put a headlights and watched him. I saw his eyes over there. You see, and then I used to 11:30 in the night. He used to come over here and he used to growl. So we used to get so much scared of him. He has really taken my pets and all, my beautiful pets. So I said I have to take revenge on this guy. This is the 3rd time the cage is coming to my place. But he was so smart, I'll tell you. He would go, he would not. So finally we managed somehow.
This,
I put some hands.
for last how many days or how many months it has been troubling?
This is the last 2 years he was there. Last time when I went with the car right on top, when I put a headlight on it, I saw almost 4 eyes. I mean, it's not the same one. There were 2 of them. 2 days back, I saw him crossing my car at 11:30 in the night.
Where?
It's in my property.
Okay.
Same complainant. Then after identification, it was confirmed that it is a sub-adult leopard and it's a female. Okay. Now it is in the forest premises.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.